In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build sales pipelines with Attio lists. We'll start from a blank slate and end with a working Kanban pipeline and a live deal moving through stages, so you can track progress with clarity. First, sign into your Attio account. Once you're in, head to Lists. Think of lists as saved, focused views of your data. They let you filter and organize specific object records, like deals, so your sales pipeline is always front and center without extra noise. Create a new list, and for this example, choose to start from scratch. When Attio asks which object this list should use, pick Deals. Objects are the types of records you manage in Attio. Deals represent sales opportunities, making them perfect for a pipeline. Give your list a clear name so your team knows exactly what it's for, then create the list. Next, choose the Kanban view. Kanban turns your pipeline into columns that represent stages, and each deal becomes a card you can drag from left to right as it progresses. Add a title to your Kanban view to reflect your process. Now open the Kanban column settings and create a new status attribute. This attribute powers your columns. Give it a descriptive name, something like pipeline stage, and confirm. With the status attribute in place, add your stages. Click the plus icon and add LED to represent new opportunities at the very start. Add another stage called Qualified for deals that have passed your initial criteria. Add Proposal sent to track opportunities where you've shared pricing or a formal offer. Finally, add 1 to capture successfully closed business. You can always reorder, rename, or expand these later as your process evolves. Let's add a deal so you can see it in action. Click Add Deal, choose to create a new record, and open the form. Set the deal stage to the status that best fits where it currently sits. In this example, we'll use In Progress. Assign a deal owner so accountability is clear, and enter the deal value to help with forecasting. Create the record to add it to your pipeline. From here, update the deal's status to Qualified to reflect movement through the funnel. Then add it to your list so it appears in the Kanban board you just set up. That's it. You've built a sales pipeline with clear stages, a status-driven Kanban view, and a live deal moving through your process. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.